Good morning, everybody. Today I would like to share with you a package I've just received from a company by the name of Krauspire. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. About a month or so ago, they approached me and asked if I'd like to try a couple of their products. And I said, yes, please, that would be lovely. And Krauspire do specialize in wax seals. So that's not something I've got a lot of. So it was nice to be asked if I would like to try some of their products. And I have taken everything out of the original package because it was wrapped so well that it took a while for me to get into. Okay, so the first thing that I have received from them is a wax seal kit, and it is called the 8 pieces wax seal warmer melting spoon kit. Unfortunately, it didn't come with the spoon. It's supposed to have a wooden handled spoon that goes with it, and for some reason or another it didn't come with that, but I can still use it. And this is wonderful because I did a DIY self-made melting pot, and so this is the real thing sort of thing. So this is very helpful for me. And this comes as 8 pieces. As you can see here, we have 3 pieces of wax. We have 2 of the lovely metallic pens. We have the little melting pot stand and a candle, and you would normally get the spoon with it as well. And so in here we have a little candle. It's a little heart-shaped candle, and of course that goes under here like that. We get 3 pieces of the melting wax sticks. Now you can either just melt those onto your page, they're wickless, melt them on and put a stamp on, or you can use the melting pot by cutting pieces off for that. And then 2 metallic pens. And I also know that they sell sets of pens as well, and I'm very eager to try these out. I have seen people on Instagram use the pens on their wax seal, and I've always wanted to give that a try, so this will be fun to see how it works. One of the other things that I ordered from them was let's see what the name is, 300 pieces sealing wax beads kit, and I got them in pearl white. And with this little kit you get the little wax beads, and these come in different colors. So you get 300 little wax beads. You also get 4 little candles, and you get 2 spoons. So I can use these spoons in here. So I'll still be able to use it. And that just rests on there. You heat your candle underneath. You pop your little beads inside, 2, perhaps 3, and melt those, and it will keep it. You mustn't leave it there forever though, because wax can burn. Once they're melted, then you can tip it onto your paper or wherever you're doing it. So that's that little kit there. And I also asked for, I'll just pop that over so that all came together, a couple of seals. Now, I do have some wooden handles myself, so I got the seals that were not on handles. And the first one I got is a clock face seal. Isn't that lovely? Let's see if we can get it the right way around. So that's a clock. And the next one I got is a light, and I'll put links to these in the description box below. This is a chandelier. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm looking forward to seeing how that one turns out. And they will just screw onto my little wooden handle. Of course, you can buy the wax seals with the handles. They sell a great variety. They have these little stick seals as well that I would be interested in trying out. They're just like a long piece of metal with a small seal at the bottom. But there you go. And they have a lovely variety of waxes. So this is what I received from Craspire. And I will be doing a video on using these things. So I hope you'll find that interesting as well. I do love the colour of the pearl. Isn't that lovely? That is really lovely. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Craspire. Bye.